Today I will be introducing you to the new Voyance software for medical applications by Medicatech USA. I will be demonstrating the unique features of the Voyance software and how to easily take, edit, and share x-rays. This is your new study page where you'll enter your patient information, and you can either schedule the images to be taken today or at a later date. You can add your study notes about the patient and select the positions you'd like to take. Once you're ready, select Start, and from here you can take your first exposure. Next, you can use any of the tools here to edit your image, or if you expand this sidebar here, you have many other features that you can add. These are great for any distance measuring or anything else that you'd like to add to your image. Here, I'll crop my image. Once you're done, if you'd like to add any additional images, you can also add them on the same page here by unfolding this sidebar and again selecting the image you'd like to take. Here we'll edit our image again. And once you're done, you can select Done here at the bottom, which will complete your study. Once you click that, you go back to this new study page again, where you can either add a new patient or you can toggle between your work list or your completed section. Everything on this system is all on the same page, so you can easily go between different studies or you can schedule without having to close the system and restart it. If I'd like to go back to my completed section, I can start using the real-time search bar to find my study. I can double click, and then if you need to, you can reactivate your study to take more images. If you need to share these images at all, you can either email, export, burn to a CD, or create a report. If you are emailing your image, you can select any of the email addresses in your address book or add a new one. Select any text that you'd like to add, and you can send in any of these 5 formats, which is very unique. You can either send one or all images as you need to, and once you click OK, your email is sent. You can export the files to your computer, burn a CD to give, or you can create a PDF report where you can add your study notes and everything will come up on the same page once you're done. If you need to take an emergency x-ray while you're in the middle of a different study, click Emergency here in the bottom corner, and you can take your images, edit as needed, and then you can use this bottom feature to go back to your previous studies, and you can toggle between them without having to exit the previous one. If I've scheduled studies, they will pop up on my work list, or if I'm still working on a study, it'll also be here. This way your x-ray technician can see what images are scheduled and what needs to be completed still. If I go back to my emergency patient here, I don't have any information, so from here I can continue editing, or I can change any of the information such as the name, age of birth, or any notes that you'd like to add. If you've taken an image and you need to move it, either to a different study or you need to copy or paste it from somewhere else on your computer, you can do that up here at the top. You can also import any images in any type of format from your computer system. Down here in the corner, you can go to your settings, where you can customize just about anything. You can add restrictions to your users, or you can add different views to your body parts. And anything in this system really is able to be customized to your needs. There are many other features that are available. For more information regarding the Voyance software and additional products and equipment made in the USA, visit our website at medicatechusa.com.